Hello, welcome to Goutam Graphics. This video is sponsored by Masterbundles. Hello friends. Today I'm making a video on Masterbundles. Masterbundles is actually a resaleable marketplace of graphics, font, add-ons, templates, etc. I will share information about this video, how you can upload your design and generate sales from them. So, let's get started. I just open a random design upload. Here you can get ideas, that is, how we have to upload our design. What category I should have to maintain, and what should be the pricing model. Next, we scroll down and see file size, date of creation, author, etc. Add most searchable tags on your design file, which takes more reach on Masterbundles. In the description box panel, you have to fill in some product descriptions about your product. If you want to add any media files related to this design, you can add this. Now it's time to upload our design file. Let's go ahead. First we click on the account section. Then click on Submit Product from the Dashboard section. Here you can add a title about your product. This is the Preview Image section. You can add multiple preview images into this section. Add your media file, which is product related. Do the same thing about description and product tag. Go to the category section. Choose your product category. You can set up your pricing for free or paid version. Add color of your product related. Choose the file type from the drop-down menu. Let's upload the item. I'm writing the product title here. Let's upload JPG file of UI design bundle. Upload your source file and convert into zip. Here I fill the description which I wrote before in Notepad. Adding tags. Select by category. I put my product price at auto pricing. And color property from the drop-down. Choose the source file type. Accept the privacy policy, terms and conditions. Click on Publish. After publishing your design, they will review your design. If your design is good, they will approve your item. Try to upload a better quality design for get more approval, and not try to upload other designers' design on this site. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's see in my next video. Thank you.